What are you doing? Buggy? Hey! Bugs! What are you doing, Buggy? What are you doing? Huh? Come on, strong boy. What, you don't like tummy time? Huh? Do you not like it? What? What are you saying? Do you want your ball? Look. Come on. Come on. What is that? I don't know if that's a happy squeal or a mad squeal. Okay. I think we're all done now.